Namaskar. Today we are going to learn forms of surd and its interconversion. First we study forms of surds. There are two forms of surds. First form is pure surd, second form is mixed surd. First we study pure surd. Surd in the form of coefficient k, order n, in radical sign a, where coefficient k is equal to plus minus 1. K is equal to plus minus 1. This form of surd is called as pure form of surd. For example, coefficient 1 order n is equal to 2 in radical sign 3. Second example, coefficient minus 1 order 2 in radical sign 7. Then second form of surd is mixed surd. Let's study mixed surd. Mixed surd. Surd in the form of coefficient k, order n in radical sign a, where coefficient k is not equal to plus minus 1. Then we say that given form of surd is mixed surd. Examples of mixed surd: first example, coefficient minus 3 order 2 in radical sign 7. Second example, coefficient 1 upon 2 order 2 in radical sign 5. Comparative study of pure surd and mixed surd, we observe that coefficient in pure surd is equal to plus minus 1, and in mixed surd coefficient k is not equal to plus minus 1. After we study interconversion of forms of surd. Interconversion of forms of surd. First, we study conversion of pure surd into mixed surd. Conversion of pure surd into mixed surd. For example, order 2 in radical sign 48. First, write the possible factor of radicand 48. Possible factor of radicand 48. First factor is 12 into 4. Second factor 6 into 8. Third factor 16 into 3. Order of given surd is 2. Hence, select one factor in which one number is complete square number. If there are more than one complete square number, then select the factor which contains largest complete square number. Hence, we take factor 16 into 3. We take the factor 16 into 3. 16 is the largest complete square number as compared to 4. Hence, 48 is equal to 16 into 3. Factor of 48, 16 into 3. We write root 16, square root of 16 into square root of 3. Square root of 16 is 4. 4 root 3. Square root of root 3 is the mixed. Second example, order 3 in radical sign 24. First, write the possible factor of radicand 24. Possible factor of radicand 24 are first 6 into 4, second 12 into 2, third 8 into 3. Order of given surd is 3, hence select the factor in which one number is complete cube number. If there are more than one complete cube number, then select the factor which contains largest complete cube number. Hence we take factor 8 into 3. Cube root of 8 into cube root of 3. Cube root of 8 is equal to 2. Coefficient 2, order 3 in radical sign 3 is the mixed form of given surd. This conversion of surd, pure surd into mixed surd is used in addition and subtraction of surd. In addition and subtraction of surd, we use this conversion. Then next, we study second conversion, mixed surd into pure surd. For example, coefficient 3, order 2 in radical sign 8. Here order is 2. Order is 2, hence we write 3 is equal to square root of 9. Square root of 9 into square root of 8. Square root of 9 into 8. Next, square root of 9 into 8 is equal to 72. Square root of 72 is the pure form of the given mixed surd. Another way, we write in radical sign square of 3. Square of 3 is equal to 9 into 8 is equal to root 72. Root 72, square root of 72 is the pure form of the given mixed surd. This type of conversion use file comparison of surds. Second example, coefficient 2, order 3 in radical sign 5. Here order is 3. Then 2 is equal to cube root of 8. Cube root of 8 into cube root of 5. Next step, cube root of 8 into 5 is equal to cube root of 40. This is the pure form of the given mixed surd. Second method, We write 2 in radical sign cube of 2 and multiply by radicand 5. Cube of 2 is 8. 8 into 5 is equal to cube root of 40. This is the pure form of the given answer. Thanks for watching video.